Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 22 is a rabbit face. This is a smiling rabbit. Folding rabbit is similar to dog or cat. Use a square paper and fold diagonal to make a big triangle. Then fold that diagonal once again. And then unfold. From here, it's a little different. First, fold a small band here, like this, the bottom of big triangle. Then fold end of triangle towards the center, but make sure to leave small space in the center area. Same thing for the other side. So these two are not connected. Then fold the end of the paper towards the center, like this. Then turn over the paper. And middle part into the inside, like this. So these two long bands are rabbit's ears. So this is the face of the rabbit. Start drawing face. I'm a bit shameful to show Grandpa Scada's drawing face. Is it rabbit? Okay. Let's see how professional are going to do. Lecture 22, supplement video for rabbit. Okay. Grandpa Scada is professional for folding papers, origami. He's very good at. This is similar to dogs and cats, but here it's a different. The bottom of triangle to draw once. Now you know this, the band area is going to be the ears of rabbit. Make sure it's don't touch the center line. And fold in the end area, one of the triangle in the middle. Okay, now she's going to draw. First, set the nose, set the position of nose. The next is, this is going to be, by the way, angry cat. In order to express angriness, the direction of lips, the midpoint is the highest, and the lowest point is the end of lips. Eyes, inside is lower than the outside, and triangle or crescent shape. And just add few lines there. Okay, rabbit is done. We'll see you